Hey, today I'm gonna show you newest Max for Live device for Ableton Live 10. So, Surround is a panoramic plugin with a multi-channel output. It is known that in Live 10 now we have built-in Max for Live 8, and from 8 version it supports multi-channel routing, and we can input to Max for Live and output as many tracks or signals as we like. This opens to us a huge laboratory for experiments. Surround, I guess, is the first device of its kind. It was provided to users about 2 months ago at the Ableton Beta website. I was able to experiment with it, and now I want to tell a little about its functions and will show you a small example. X-axis and Y-axis are responsible for the position of sound in the space between the virtual speakers on the main screen. Rotation knob moves sound spot within the sound field. It should be noted that the handle can be twisted endlessly. This is a quite interesting innovation in Max for Live 8. Instead of knobs, you can use sound spot on the main screen. The number on the speaker icon indicates the number of the output. Focus knob changes concentration of signal at the sound spot. Center slider sets the signal gain when the point is in the center of the space field. Smooth knob will make the movement of the sound spot more fluently. Branch icon opens section with the sound output settings. On top, with speakers setup, you can select the number of speakers and their position around the field. Below each level meter there is a channel selection for audio output. It is possible to select all the live outputs, a track channel, a send channel, and even output the sound directly to an external source. If this video was useful for you, please hit thumb up button and subscribe. And of course, if you have some time, please comment below your thoughts about this video or maybe your suggestions about next videos. This will extremely motivate me to make new videos for you. Hope you enjoy. Bye.